Hey, you found it. Here's part 2. Let's start with this box right here. It does say open before Christmas, which I did, and I saw it, and it was awesome, and it was used, and then I put it back. I just want to make sure you know. This is cool. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It says 3D printing nerd right there. It's a Christmas ornament. You hang it like this, and it looks cool. It's so awesome. It's packed extremely well. There's some packing peanuts, there's some air cushions, there's all sorts of fun stuff. So, to the note, dear Mr. 3D nerd, it's me. Because I'm so lazy when it comes to writing letters, I've put off this too long to make the final Fan Mail Friday of 2017. I've been planning on sending you this for some time, and I wanted you to get it before Christmas. Well, I didn't, but I did get it in 2017. I have another package to send you, and we'll wait until next year for that. I printed this with an egg-bot printer I built. Love your Fan Mail Friday. Can't wait to see more. Ed, yes, high five. High five, Ed. Well, let's do this one next. It's from John, AKA Trolling for Dollars. Trolling for Dollars on the Twitters and the YouTubes and the Twitches. Trolling for dollars. I love this knife, you guys. This is crazy good. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I've got a self-addressed stamped envelope, a US $5 bill, 2 stamps, and a note. Dear Joel, it's all your fault. I broke down and ordered my first 3D printer, a Tronc CX1, because of your videos. I will admit that I'm coming into 3D printing backwards of most other people. I see the 3D printer as an additional output device for my theatrical 3D CAD draftings. I have a 42-inch plotter that works well for 2D output, but the 3D printer is going to make models to go along with the 2D printouts. I like to tinker, so I look at the Tronc as a project to play with. If all goes well, our company will be looking to purchase a 3D printer in the $500 USD price range. Any suggestions? Well, the Creality CR10 line of printers you can still get for under $500, and they are wonderful machines. Once we have that, I fully expect to find many different uses for it. Your enthusiasm for 3D printing is contagious. Please keep producing the great videos. Enclosed is a donation to the kids in a self-addressed stamped envelope, so you know what that means. I get a sticker, AKA John. And the 2 stickers are for people who might forget their or the 2 stamps are for people who may forget their stamps. That's pretty nice. All right, John. First things first, let's take care of business. John, Mr. Trolling for Dollars, I believe it is your turn. You get a sticker. Next is this package right here. I did open it. And it is, oh, it is an Open RC t-shirt from Mr. Daniel Noré. 3D printing open source RC since 2012. Thank you. This is a wonderful t-shirt, and you bet I'm bringing this with me to Murph this year. Let's do one of these, shall we? This is from Will. This is from Will, and it says, watch. I don't know what that means. Maybe it means there's a watch. Okay. There's a note on top that says, to Joel, which is me. Okay. There is a note. There is a note. Oh, this is from Will. This is that 3D print guy. Hey Joel, greetings fellow Time Lord. In Australia we are 14 hours ahead, so technically this letter comes from the future. I think I've had a few glasses of Merlot, so grammar and spelling are shady. How do you manage, by the way, with kids, full-time job, and YouTube? Oh, that's right, you don't sleep. But we will come to this problem in a minute. Thanks for your tweet about my YouTube account. It got moving, they fixed it, thank you. Originally, for some reason, his YouTube account wasn't working, YouTube wasn't helping him. I was like, yo, YouTube, what up? And they were like, I guess they got to it. I don't know if it was my tweet that helped, but I tried to help. I'm not sure if you recall, but some months ago, our beloved dogs was ill. We were struggling for money at the time. The one person that offered help and financial assistance was you. In the end, she could not be cured, and we had to put our dogs to sleep, and my wife and I were very devastated. I would like to share with you that one thing that helped me deal with the loss was that kind offer from yourself, a guy on the other side of the globe who I have never met in person. Thank you, Joel. You are a true gentleman, and I will never forget this. Even though I could not accept your offer, you have no idea how much your gesture of assistance meant to me. I have a new hobby of watch modifications, so I wanted to make you a gift. Please find enclosed a limited edition 3DPN TARDIS Seiko automatic watch. I'm a huge Doctor Who fan as well. My top 3 faves are McCoy, Baker, and Smith. Well, I think everybody probably knows who my favorite is because my daughter got to talk to him. That kind of is cheating a little bit, I think. I love the first 2 Matt Smith seasons, but in my personal opinion, the power went to Stephen Moffat's head, and he almost killed the franchise. Sure, let's give Clara and Stark a TARDIS. Moron, but I digress. That's funny. It is well known in the community that you sleep very little, so I thought this gift would be practical. Let me explain how it works. When the big hand is on the 6th and the little hand is on the 10, go to bed. Joel, I sincerely wish you every good fortune and hope you achieve your goal of going full-time YouTube or a TV show. Heck, why not? Thank you for all your support. If I can ever help you, please do not hesitate. Your friend down in Perth, the most isolated city in the world, Will. Okay, well, shoot. Thanks for the kind note, Will. Sorry to, man, about your dog. That was sad. I'm sorry I couldn't help anymore, brother. I'm really sorry. All right, so thinking it's a watch that's in here. It's definitely a watch. Ooh. There's another note. The Seiko 3DPN automatic watch, model 3DPN001, features auto winding, just wear it to charge it. Exclusive 3DPN TARDIS dial, 3D printed watch strap in NinjaFlex Cheetah. Note, watch is water resistant to rain and hand washing. Do not swim or shower with the watch. Okay. There's that. Take it out. Oh, it's on a little pillow. It's on a little pillow. Let's see. I need to wear it to wind it. Okay. Oh, there it's going a little bit. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that right there, but that is a watch. That is the watch right there. A little 3DPN TARDIS watch. That's awesome. Well, shoot, let me try it on. Wow, and a NinjaFlex Cheetah strap. All right. This is kind of cool. Okay. Ever since I switched to Android, I stopped wearing my Apple Watch, which means I have room for another watch. There it is. Wow, I'm gonna wear this for special occasions. Will, my buddy, my brother, thank you so very, very much. I really love it. I think we got time for one more. Let's take this letter right here. Feels heavy. This is from a John Emery. Feels like there's some coinage inside. Ooh, there sure is. Let's see, did I get everything out? Okay, good. All right. Oh, I don't know if you can tell, but that's some 50-cent pieces right there. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I believe that would be a $5 and $5 and a note. Joel, I was cleaning out my junk drawer and found these coins. A coworker heard what you are doing for Seattle Children's Hospital and wanted to donate $5 to the cause. Thanks for doing what you are doing for the kids. Keep up the great videos. High five, John. Trolling for dollars. Oh, hey, I opened a trolling for dollars thing in the previous one. So John just wanted to send some more money to the kids. Well, let's take care of business. First things first. Oh, but wait. We have to liberate these coins from the packaging. I think I can do this. think I can do this the hard way, apparently. All right, almost there. Oh my goodness. It's just sticky. All right, ready? Oh, log jam. Well, with that wonderful donation to the Seattle Children's Hospital, let's call this video good. But wait, don't stop there. The next video, it's right here. It's right here. It's right here. It's here. It's here. Go ahead and click this and watch. Watch the video. Watch the video. It's right here. The video is right here. Watch the next part. Watch me open gifts. Watch me do this.